Today we look at the Holy Spirit in the book of Acts. Hold on, this will be fast. The word Spirit occurs 70 times in Acts, mostly for the Holy Spirit. Several important concepts are mentioned, and all are related. The Holy Spirit spoke through past agents. The Holy Spirit still speaks. Empowerment or comfort of the Holy Spirit. Testing, opposing the Spirit or Holy Spirit. Several important phrases are mentioned, and all are related. Baptized with or in the Holy Spirit. The Spirit, Holy Spirit, poured out, comes, falls on, related to power. Receive the Holy Spirit. Filled with the Holy Spirit. This one is a bit different from the three above. There are 30 conversion stories in Acts. Only 4 of those stories say anything about how the Spirit was received as related to the conversion. Those 4 are fascinating. The Jews in chapter 2, the Samaritans in chapter 8, the Gentiles in chapter 10, the 12 Ephesian disciples of John's baptism in chapter 19. You know, one might get the impression that the writer of Luke Acts was trying to make a point in the way he is telling the story, such as the Holy Spirit of God was given to all these groups of people as a show of God's sanction that the gospel is for everybody. Okay, then let's draw some conclusions for now. First, there appears to be from Acts no basis for assuming multiple receptions of the Holy Spirit after baptism. Second, there is no distinction in Acts between the gift of the Holy Spirit and the Holy Spirit himself. Third, the 4 groups show that the gospel is for everybody. Fourth, the Holy Spirit in Acts is received in a variety of ways. Acts does not imply that all conversions happen the same way or with the same visible results. And 5, in Acts, in every case, the roll of tongues was an outward sign, especially for believers, of God's sanction of a given group. Every time. Acts makes no claim that every person who became a follower of Jesus spoke in tongues. Acts exudes the language of the church residing in the presence of the Spirit. Not only did the Spirit speak in the past, the Spirit is abundantly active in the continuing and ever-spreading church. The Spirit serves as guide, witness, enabler, counselor, informer, sender, enforcer, director, anointer, and speaker. The Spirit provides wisdom and comfort, and yet is not to be put to the test or opposed. There is no vision in Acts that such a state of existing in and by the Holy Spirit of God will ever end.